JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Swanee, Georgia today. It's about 1:30. We've got a 7-area job we're going to do. It's a $280 job. This is what we call camouflage carpet because nothing shows up on it. Everything blends in and it's hard to see. Main concern for the customer was an odor issue. House is empty. They are moving. It is on the market. And the realtor said they've got a dog smell, which hopefully we can help with that. This is a great big master bedroom, that's for sure. So there's a total of 5 bedrooms, stairs, and the hall. There's no visual issues. It's just mainly an odor issue, so this will be a quick job. So I will shoot an after video, more than likely, just so you can see how long it takes us to do it. But visually, you're probably not going to see much of a difference at all. All right, it's about 2:10. We just finished up this $280 job. Like I said, there was not much to see visually. Main concern of the customer was odor, which I used extra deodorizer and disinfectant to help address what she called dog smell. Our process does involve scrubbing the carpet with a brush and stuff, so we get a lot of pet hair out of the carpet because it wasn't like a urine smell that was in the house. It was more of a pet dander kind of smell, which is typically in the carpet. I also recommended to her to look at the HVAC vents because a lot of times those are overlooked and can house a lot of pet hair in those returns. So let's see what's off. I'm not sure what time we started, but like I said, it's about 2:10, $280. Used about 2 to 3 gallons of actual cleaner, plus some, like I said, some deodorizer, some disinfectant. So this is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. I appreciate you watching. It is Friday, about 2:10, so we're done for the weekend. Hope you have a great one. Take care and always be kind.